Many of you know that there is way more to running a cleaning business than just the cleaning. So in this video, I'm breaking down the basics you need to succeed. That's the right software, insurance, legal setup, and your financial setup. So let's get right into it. Recently, I got a comment on one of my videos asking me, what software do you recommend for scheduling, sending quotes, invoicing, and receiving payment? And the answer to that question is Jobber. If you're listening to me right now and you've been wondering how to send professional quotes, how to allow clients to book with you online, how to schedule your jobs, then this is for you. And I say that because I would have loved to personally get my hands on something like this when I was first getting started, because it real deal used to take me an hour and a half just to create a quote on a PDF document on my computer. I had no way to send a legitimate invoice, and I had no way to accept credit card payment if my client didn't have cash, right? Jobber makes all that easy for you. It's an all-in-one platform that will allow you to run your business more smoothly without having to juggle so many other different platforms. And if you like me and you've been using other software already, it allows you to integrate or link your other softwares like QuickBooks and Gusto into it. That's the reason I partnered with them, because I know how beneficial a tool like this is for businesses like ours when it comes to CRM, your customer relationship management, scheduling, sending out your invoices, as well as GPS tracking for your team, and of course, receiving payment. Regardless if you're just getting started or you've been in business for a little while, they have price points and plans for your business. And I love the fact that they have real humans helping you onboard and answering questions for you when you first get started. If you know you need something like this, I will put the link in the description below, but it's simply go.getjobber.com/DarianJerry. And if you purchase an annual plan, email me your receipt and I will send you an exclusive recorded training of your choice. But let's move to the next topic, and that's legal and financial setup. So number one, you're going to need to register your business, right? You'll register your business with the state, and you'll simply pick a name, a business name, a legitimate, professional looking business name, and then I recommend doing an LLC. Some people may go the sole proprietor route, but if you're looking to grow an actual business, you will need an LLC, which is a limited liability company. Once you've done that, you will need to get an EIN number, and that's basically just a tax ID number or a social security number for your business. After that, you're going to look into if your state requires a business license for cleaning businesses. Some states don't require licenses, but you will need to figure out if you need a license. Once you've done that, you're going to need to open up a business checking account. Business checking account, I would say go to a bank of your choice that you already use for your personal expenses and personal lifestyle, or you can go to a Chase or some of the big brands if you want to. But I simply started out with the bank that I was already banking with. It was a smaller bank, like a credit union type of bank, and ended up getting set up. Walk in there, give them all your information, and they will help you set that up. Once you've done that, you are technically officially in business. So congratulations. After that, you're going to need to get you some insurance. A general liability insurance policy of $1 million is the standard for the cleaning business. And the way that I got my initial cleaning business policy, I was going door to door with my flyers and business cards, ended up walking into an insurance agent's office and told the man, hey, this is what I do. Do you need cleaning services here? And he asked me, do you need insurance? I told him I was new, and sure enough, sat down, talked to him for a little bit, and he got me $1 million general liability policy. And from that point on, I've been had that same policy. I think I was paying $365 a year for that policy in Arkansas. When I moved to Florida, I ended up getting a policy with By Burke Insurance. I have an umbrella policy with them, as well as a $1 million general liability policy. And we have workers' compensation. And these can range anywhere from $250 to $1,000 a year, right? And from that point, once you've got your insurance, you are really ready to go and get a client, right? And so if you want to know what you're going to need next, You'll probably watch this video to figure out what cleaning supplies to get, or watch this video to figure out how to get you some clients. I appreciate you for watching this one. My name is Darian Jarrett. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.